Santiago invests £1,500 into an account paying compound interest at a rate of 2.5% for the first year, then 0.9% each year after. So we have a split interest rate here. Work out the value of his account after 4 years. So even though we have two different interest rates, we're still looking for those three different pieces of information. We've got 1,500 as our initial amount. We've got 2.5% for the first year, and then 0.9% each year after. And then we've got for 4 years. So we're just going to use this compound interest formula, but twice, each time for the different interest rates. So for the first year, we've got 1,500 as our initial amount, that's what we're starting with, times by 1 plus 2.5% interest for that year over 100 to the power of, you don't need to write this, but technically it's the power of 1, isn't it? Because it's only 1 year, which you can see gives us £1,537.50. Now the interest is the £37.50, but obviously his whole account will include the 1,500 to start with. We then have 0.9% for every year after that. So that's 3 years, isn't it? So that's years 2 to 4, which is 3 of them. The initial amount has now changed. It's now going to be, at the start of year 2, we're starting with the 1,537.50, aren't we? So I'm going to use that as my new initial amount. And then we times it by 1 plus the new interest rate, which is 0.9 over 100. And then how many years left? Well, it was 4 in total. We've used 1, so there's only 3 left. And again, we put that into the calculator. So there we get £1,579, and then to 2 decimal places, 39. Also double check, have they asked for the value of the account or have they asked for the interest? In this case, they've asked for the value, so that is just my final answer. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where I have full videos going into more detail. Link is in my bio.